Bam! What's up, guys? Today I'm showing some toy gun. So let's begin the show. First of all, guys, I can show you the toy pistol. This is a toy pistol. This is a silver color and red color combination toy pistol. See, guys, and how it works. Turn and shoot. Okay, guys. Another time. So then, guys, I can show you this box. Tan-tan-tan. This is a box. And what inside this box?
Oh yeah.
Wow. Flower. This is a flower. This is a green and white color combination flower. We see it in badminton game. Okay, guys? See? Then, guys, I show you this costume. This is a red color costume. Okay, guys, see, this is a red color costume. Then, guys, I show this equipment. Okay, guys, this is a toy equipment, toy gun equipment. Okay, guys, see. Then, guys, I can show this. Tan-tan-tan. This is a toy shotgun. This is a black color, yellow color and orange color combination toy shotgun. See, guys? See? Nice. Oh my god. And how it works? Turn and shoot. Once more time, guys. Turn and shoot. Wow, this is look like a real shotgun. Okay, guys, see, this is nice shotgun. Oh my god. Oh wow. Then, guys, I can show this toy rifle. This is a toy rifle, guys. See this is a properly sky blue color and baby pink color combination toy rifle. See, guys, and it have a extent. I assemble it. Okay, guys, now this is the proper toy rifle, and this is some battery. This rifle need 3 battery. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. How it works? So that's it. Thanks for watching my video, guys. See you in the next video. Take care and bye bye always.